day everyone, it's me Chanel here, and today we are back with my passion project, my heart project. This is the space that I showed you previous video on a bathroom makeover. Just wanted to add not only functionality in this bathroom, as you could see, which is definitely needed, what she needed in the space. Again, not just functionality, but we also want to add the pretty factor. Needed a little bit of organization here, which she desired as well, along with her colors that she really liked, which is the green. Now remember, on the previous video I did a few DIYs because we're going to do this project pretty much on a low to no budget. And I did a few DIY projects, which is going to be added to the space along with this project. Is a box that I picked up actually a few years ago. It's been in my candle closet ready for use, and so I thought I'd pull it out. I was doing a little bit of purging and remake it over. Of course we don't want it red, so we're going to take away the red, and I'm going to do a little operation on it. Move all the hardware from it, including the nail heads. It's great for storage, especially in a closet, bathroom. Really small, as you can see here, screwdriver, which is what I have here. It's really small. Here I'm going to take off all of the hardware. I'm going to remove the top first. Stated before, this is an excellent item to use within a bathroom to put all of your lotions, potions, and whatnot inside of it. Use all of the hardware, you can see in the box. Make sure you keep it all in one spot. A Ziploc bag would be great. Taking apart all of the hardware. And so now I'm just going to go in with this one, sit it up here just for some height, and I'm going to take the nail heads off with this tool here. If you can see it, it has a little teeth on it. It's for upholstery. And so I'm just going to slide in right under there, and it grips the nail head, as you can see right here. With the box, and it is all painted. I chipped the paint just a little bit right here on the end, if you could see, but we're going to cover that up with a few letters maybe, or I might just paint right over it. I'm going to add all of the hardware back onto the box. Very easy, simple project. If you find a box like this, or if you have something old like this laying around, that is excellent for storage, as you can see here. And you open the lid, and there is plenty of storage in here to put your bottles, lotions, soaps, extra soap, bars of soap, if that is what you use, whatever you may use in your bathroom area. A great item for something like that. And again, just doing some cost-effective budget decor from things that you may already have around the house, and you just want to repurpose it, redesign it, remake it over to keep yourself from throwing something else out. Of course, we're going to buy new things, but we can keep away from some of that by, again, repurposing and reusing. So some more tips, tricks, hints, and ideas. And then here for the handle, I'm going to change things up a bit on the handle. As you can see, I'm going to put it over here near the light of the cabinet so you can see the color. It's still red. I didn't want to just spray paint. What I'm going to do, I think I'm going to take it apart and add a different color onto here, some faux leather or vinyl onto it, or I may just use a color such as, I may just use the ribbon and make a handle from there, because most likely you'll be opening it up from the little attachment that is right here in the front of the box. Still give it that pretty fact as functionality. Let's go ahead here with the rest of the hardware that I have here in the little tray. So again, just using more of the ribbon here in the gold. Then I will add the nail head trim right back around it. Mechanism here. It's so tiny. Just gonna add that as soon as I get it in my hands. Once I have added all of the hardware back onto the box, I will add, or rather change up the handle that I spoke of earlier and switch it out to the ribbon. Repurposing, reusing, and reimagining. So what is old to you and not in use is still functional. You can make it fresh and new for someone else. I'm going to take the little ribbon, measure it to size, give it a cut, and make the same size for the opposite side. As I continue here to add all of the ribbon around again, which I removed the previous red slips or the pieces that were along the sides of the box, I'm going to switch it out to the ribbon, and then I'll add all of the nail heads back onto the box, and then we will proceed on to the makeover of the room. Open it back up and take out the nail heads that I had some. I'm just going to tack them back into place. Here in the space, lots of pretty added along with functionality. Disregard the placement of the table. It will be moved down just a bit so there is easy access to the accessories in the room that we all need to use. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all for the next one.